أهلا بكم في تاني درس من دورة أهم كلمات الآيلتس من موقع وقناة مدينة اللغات Language Sound. أنا نيفين الشاذلي، أهلا بكم مرة تانية. يلا نبتدي. درس اليوم عن الصحة. يلا نبتدي. Addiction. Addictions. Addiction is the condition of taking harmful drugs and being unable to stop taking them. المعنى المرادف bad habit. مثال long-term addiction to nicotine. المرادف باللغة العربية الإدمان. allergy. Allergies. If you have a particular allergy, you become ill or get a rash when you eat, smell, or touch something that does not normally make people ill. المعنى المرادف sensitivity. مثال food allergies can result in an enormous variety of different symptoms. المعنى المرادف باللغة العربية حساسية. Cancer. Cancers. Cancer is a serious disease in which cells in a person's body increase rapidly in an uncontrolled way, producing abnormal growths. المعنى المرادف illness. مثال he's got cancer. المرادف باللغة العربية سرطان. Dehydration. You are suffering from dehydration if you lose too much water from your body. المعنى المرادف dryness. مثال cholera causes severe dehydration. المرادف باللغة العربية الجفاف أو التجفاف. Stroke. Strokes. If someone has a stroke, a blood vessel in their brain bursts or becomes blocked, which may kill them or make them unable to move one side of their body. المعنى المرادف للأسف مفيش لأنه هو لفظ طبي ملوش مقابل. مثال He had a minor stroke in 1987, which left him partially paralyzed. المرادف باللغة العربية السكتة الدماغية. Infection. Infections. An infection is a disease caused by germs or bacteria. المعنى المرادف contagion. مثال Ear infections are common in preschool children. المرادف باللغة العربية عدوى. Obesity. Someone suffering from obesity is extremely fat. المعنى المرادف fat. مثال The excessive consumption of sugar leads to obesity. المرادف باللغة العربية هو السمنة. Verbs associated with treatment. الأفعال المرتبطة بالعلاج. Administer. Administers. Administering. Administered. If a doctor or a nurse administers a drug, they give it to the patient. المعنى المرادف prescribe. مثال Paramedics are trained to administer certain drugs. المرادف باللغة العربية هو وصف الدواء. Admit. Admits. Admitting. Admitted. If someone is admitted to a hospital, they are taken into a hospital for treatment and kept there until they are well enough to go home. المعنى المرادف let in. Allow entry. مثال She was admitted to hospital with a soaring temperature. المرادف باللغة العربية سمح بالدخول. Diagnose. Diagnosis. Diagnosing. Diagnosed. If someone or something is diagnosed as having a particular illness or problem, their illness or problem is identified. المعنى المرادف recognize. Identify. المثال Almost 1 million people are diagnosed with colon cancer each year. المرادف باللغة العربية شخص. discharge, discharge, discharging, discharged. When someone is discharged from hospital, they are officially allowed to leave or told they must leave. المعنى المرادف leave. مثال: He has a broken nose but may be discharged today. المرادف باللغة العربية سمح بالمغادرة. examine, examines, examining, examined. If a doctor examines you, he or she looks at your body, feels it, or does simple tests in order to check how healthy you are. المعنى المرادف check. مثال: Another doctor examined her and could still find nothing wrong. المرادف باللغة العربية فحص. screen, screens, screening, screened. To screen for a disease means to examine people to make sure that they do not have it. المعنى المرادف check. مثال: Men over 50 are routinely screened for prostate abnormalities. المرادف باللغة العربية فحص بالتصوير الشعاعي. vaccinate, vaccinates, vaccinating, vaccinated. A vaccine is a harmless form of the germs that cause a particular disease. If a person or animal is vaccinated, they are given a vaccine, usually by injection, to prevent them getting that disease. المعنى المرادف للأسف ما فيش معنى مرادف لأنه هو كمان مرادف طبيا. Dogs must be vaccinated against distemper. المرادف باللغة العربية لقح. ودلوقتي في اختبار سريع للكلمات السابقة. Choose the words that you associate with rich countries. معكم 10 ثواني. مرة تانية نفس السؤال. Choose the words that you associate with poor countries. وكمان معكم 10 ثواني. Example. نصيحة امتحانية. في اختبار قسم القراءة من امتحان الآيلتس قد يتعين عليك توضيح ما إذا كانت العبارات حول مقطع القراءة صحيحة أم خاطئة أم غير معتاد، أي لم يرد ذكرها. يمكنك في كثير من الأحيان التعرف على عبارة true إذا كان بإمكانك مطابقتها إلى جزء من المقطع يعبر عن نفس الفكرة بكلمات مختلفة. يمكن أن يساعد التعرف على المرادفات الكلمات ذات المعنى نفسه تقريبا في القيام بذلك. Example: Allergies are common in wealthy countries. Allergies are common in affluent countries. وبكده نكون خلصنا درس النهاردة. أشوفكم على خير. Goodbye.